Hello everyone, welcome to our science channel. My name is Katie and I work at the Wenatchee Valley Museum and Cultural Center, and I have an assistant today. Do you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Chloe.
Hi Chloe, and how old are you?
6 years old.
So today we're doing a magic milk experiment, and you'll need the following materials in order to do this. You'll need a big jug of soap,
We'll need
a tray. You'll need some milk. We've got some soy milk today, but any kind of milk will work.
and color to make science fun.
Oh yeah, some food coloring. We've got all sorts of different colors. And what's the last item?
Q-tips.
Yeah, Q-tips.
To clean your ears.
Well, we're not using them for cleaning ears today, but yeah, a lot of people do. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pour your milk into your shallow container. So, do you want to pour it or shall I?
Well, I don't really know that much on how much to pour.
Oh, okay. You can do the colored part. That's the fun part anyway. Ooh. So you want to pour it just enough to cover the surface. Yeah, it's looking good. The next thing you want to do is you'll take your food coloring and just do dots in any kind of pattern you want to. So I'll let you do this part.
It kind of makes a squeaky sound.
Yeah, it does. So while Chloe's creating some colors in her shallow pan of milk, I got a little container for our soap. So I'm just going to pour a little bit of soap into the shallow container. Nice. How's it looking?
Good.
All right. And the very last thing you want to do is you want to take one of your Q-tips, dip it in some soap, and then just poke it anywhere in the milk.
This is so cool.
Nice.
This is looking very magical. I wish you could even make a wish on this.
A wish? What would you wish for?
Pancake.
Oh, yeah. That's what I'd wish for, too.
It's so cool.
I know. It's the magic milk experiment. So what's happening, if you're interested in the science behind it, is that milk is filled with fat, which is good for you, right? Everyone needs a little bit of fat.
I drink milk like almost every day.
Do you? I like it in my cereal and my coffee in the morning. But when you're poking your Q-tip in a bit of soap, it's breaking up the fat molecules in the milk.
And making it like mixed together.
Yeah, exactly. So, and we wouldn't be able to see it if the food coloring wasn't in there. But by coloring the milk, we're able to see the process of those fat molecules dispersing and breaking up in the milk. All right, everyone. Thanks for joining us for our magic milk experiment. Till